Man, this is my second time trading this. Recording this video. So basically, I am going to go review AFRM and ATER. ATR currently I am back holding. As I said in the previous video, that I was going to be, which I didn't do, which was my fault. I was going to put profit to. What's this say? I think it's called stop limit. I don't know. Take profit. So basically, what my intention was with ATER was to do that, but I unfortunately did it at the last minute, and it was right before I was about to start my exams. So therefore, I really didn't have any time, and literally just held until I was able to see the trade. And whenever I got to that, I did not whenever yeah, as you can see, I bought it. I would think, excuse me, I would think I bought it at market open, and then once it had, I should have taken profits like right around this area. I should have placed a take profit, but like I said, I didn't do anything. I just held it until I had seen that I was losing money, and that was right after I had taken the test. And I personally, I wasn't even paying attention to the ATER, which is something that I am actually thinking about right now. That I should I should have a setup where I am able to actually see multiple screens. So I guess that's something. Or if not, I would prefer to be watching only one chart, because that was really something that I really did. Like the ATER chart was not even on my mind, because my biggest trade of the day was AFRM, where I placed I had the most liquidity on. So yeah, I should have taken a loss. Sorry about that. I should have taken my loss right here and didn't. So let's go back. Let's go to AFRM. So AFRM, I believe, I am not aware whether it is or it is not, but I can say that it reflects in a way what the SPY does on a day-to-day basis. So whenever this does happen, I am going to actually be correlating these two charts. So basically, as you can see right here, that whenever the SPY had tried to hit higher break its high of pre-market, it literally did not even test it, and it literally broke down and never came back. It just went for a flush until this time frame, but after that, a single put would have been great. And as well, as you can see, this bounce back down to the downside and an upside. Now, if you can see with AFRM, the previous day was exactly as you can see. Well, let me get to the previous day. Have my chart. Man. Was this yesterday? No, no, this was another day. What is wrong with my charts? I don't understand what's going on. Why are my charts not loading up how they're supposed to? So, I believe in a way, as you guys saw in the SPY, whenever the market opened, it made a flush to the downside, and as you can see, I mean this was somewhat like similar, but as you can see, like even with the SPY going up, it literally broke the um, high of the day and never came back to test it from yesterday's. And so, looking back at today, looking back at today, it tried to break its high of well, you could say that this one's a high 126, and once it hit that, whenever the market opened, it tried to uh, make a run. But as you guys saw, the SPY literally just went to the downside and never came back in the beginning of the trading day hours. And so I was around this area. Sorry about that. Excuse me. Excuse me. Once again, I was during I was taking an exam and I was not able to make a trade and was not able to understand that graph. I um I had seen that the graph was like this, and whenever I had seen this, I had placed a put. I placed the put around this area and see that it's downside with this trend line, and I tell myself that once it hits this, it's in a way. Sorry about that. In a way, it's going to go down and it's still gonna fall because the SPY. I don't think I had seen the SPY. I think I had seen the Nasdaq, but it was doing horrible. Mm. And I had seen that it was going up, and so this is where I stupidly, I would say, without conscience, did a call about a call option and a sell option, which is something that I never even did ever before. And I was told by a trader that you cannot go long and short a stock. So I understood that part now. Whenever I did play that stock and call options, I wanted it to go down, but at the same time, I wanted it to go up. So there's no way where I can balance those two. So therefore, I I sorry about that. I bought a call right here when I was making a bull run, and I got caught with that one. I got my hand slapped, and I sold it. I don't recall where, but I sold it for a loss, like 40, $60, and I held my put because I had more conviction on the put as the graph was showing me. As you guys can see, like nothing was bullish about it. It tested that B BWAP 1, 2. I guess failed the test over here, but it rejected twice, I would say, and then it never even um, tested it again with higher lows right here. And in a way, I understood that uh, whenever this formation had happened, I thought it was gonna test the BWAP again, and I had no, that's wrong. Whenever I think it was around this area, whenever I had thought that it was gonna test the BWAP or at least the 200 EMA, and it didn't, and I actually got caught. I paper handed my put, and if I would have sold, if I would have held during the whole day, I would have made a profit. I was making $120 like around this area, so I think I would have made at least 200 bucks right here. Overall, I need to not make any trades while I'm not watching the graph. I'm okay with losing and missing out on some opportunities and some profits, but I would prefer to actually know what I'm doing. I don't want to have something that I'm just going to base it out on luck, and I mean, yeah, I I enjoyed today's lessons in a way, and I really would like to get better at it. And I guess to for addition of information that I learned today was I was talking to my friend Ash, and I was basically telling him that on a short squeeze we have the idea, or well, this is how I'm gonna play the AMC short squeeze, where you sell on the way down, not on the way up. But this idea does not work in a day trading as a day trading strategy, as I believe that um one's single stock or single call would make an effect of the stock market. So that little of input that you put, it's nothing. So I will be taking more profits on the way up and on the way down if I was to have a put. And I just need to stay true to my conviction. If I believe it in it, and like you guys have seen that have been trading AFRM overall, and with AFRM I made $84. I mean, it's something better than nothing, and I would have made 600, like I said last Friday, but didn't take any profits. So yeah, I mean, overall, I like today's trades. I appreciate you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, comment, share, do whatever you guys like, and I'll give you guys a free water bottle. Appreciate you guys, and I really hope to see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.